doing, buddy?
Shit. I need the extension.
I would get you one, but I don't know where it's at.
Me either. I need all one.
Come on, buddy. Don't mind the junk engines everywhere.
350 Z and VQ and
Somewhere in there is a fucking
V series.
Yeah.
400. Do you know what this is?
Look at this sex clamp, baby.
No.
Oh, well, you don't get freaky?
Well, I think you pull your. You fucking cover it off. All
Son, this is a Honda right here. It's got
this is the
big power.
Oh, this is class.
By God.
Oh, like I really thought straight popping was one day for Randy.
Well, let's do that. I say it's got VTEC in it somewhere. If not, we'll slap turbo on it. What pushes more power? More of that or your Honda that you had? About the same, right?
This lawnmower.
Ooh, Cub Cadet, baby. Riding big.
Cub something. God damn.
Alright.
I'll need the stitching.
Rocket, boo.
Oh, there it is. V series.
VTEC, vroom, vroom.
Big hole.
It's healthy.
It runs really good. Actually does. This thing just still ran when I pulled it.
I know you limped it home.
Arrgh.
Hey. Let's get to work, buddy. I'm here for emotional support.
I don't want to put you. Oh, shit. Listen.
When are you taking the stripes off the hood tomorrow?
Yeah. Try to at least. I got a thing in the truck, a razor. Get it off. Oh, it's tight.
All these one-wheel pills, buddy. You're gonna have to lay off of them. You'll never keep a set on here.
Yeah, I'll just change the side out.
Should be cheap on you, man. You only have to buy one tire. Other ones are still new.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry, truck. I didn't mean to do that to you. You know I love you. Come on, bitch. Oh. This bitch is on there. Oh, there it goes.
Ta-da!
Oh. I'll tell you what, Basie.
Tell me what, Mary Lou.
I broke my finger.
Good one.
Oh, a little bit. I think I need to put some get your neutral real quick.
Probably a good idea.
I got it. Oh, this shit hurts. My neck's killing me. Especially with this boat's already coming out. I can't get it. There we go. Got it.
Good job, buddy. There goes a fake cop.
Fuck that police.
Ooh, we got a hidden treasure over here. What the fuck you got a baseball bat in here for?
Oh, it's for my hood? Or if I need to beat a bitch?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
All these bitches down here.
Yeah, you gotta beat off this truck, right?
Yeah. Pussy puller. This motherfucking boat beating me on. I think you want
Right there, Boomhauer. Calm down.
Call me Johnny Parker, son.
So we need to get Mr. Redneck over here. I don't know, this big ass couldn't fit underneath the truck even on jacks.
That's true. Ho 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 ho! God damn it, some bitch.
Come on, buddy.
I'm almost got it. It's just this motherfucking boat right here. This one here.
Oh my God.
Like I can get on it, but then I can't. Ooh, ooh,
Ooh.
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 Listen here, Bessie. I'm gonna get you off. Alright. And when you come out, you're gonna come out. And when you come out, you're gonna suck my dick.
Well, I'm glad this truck's over 18.
You don't know that. It was rebuilt. So now it's your own.
Are you a car molester? I'm calling it SVU.
I mean, I hid the exhaust under the truck, so nobody knew. So I'm wondering how.
Oh my! Get some of that. Some of that hip action in there. Yeah, there we go. I don't think I have enough ones for that. Jesus.
You about ready to come out? Holy shit. Well, I thought it was a snake. Where's my phone? It went zzz. Come on. Now I'm getting these bitches with my hand, and it hurts. Oh, there we go. She got loose. Oh, god damn it, now she tight. Son of a bitch, Clyde. Boom! Oh, look at that. And guess what? The bitch should be out, but it ain't coming out.
Need me to get the bat for you?
Come on, bitch. Is that another boat? do I have to do something to the transmission? I don't think I do, do I? I think the bitch just slides out. I'm used to Hondas. Not this fucking real drive. Ugh. Take my hands.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go jank off when I come back. I'll be black. I know how to get it out. Get in there, start the bitch, put it in drive. She come out.
Fuck. See how well that goes for you.
I ain't gonna do it. But yeah. I had a razor blade. I had a razor blade somewhere. I don't know where it's at now. Get all this shit off.
What do you go fucking listen to My Chemical Romance while you work on your truck? Cut yourself with a razor blade?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. So emotional, so deep. Bro, music saved my life more than once.
I can't find mine. I gotta have some paint.
Whoa. Ain't first month yet. Wait till you get your food stamps.
Oh, yeah, damn. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Pop the hood or beat a bitch. Either one works. I don't know what to say now.
If this,
Hey,
ain't,
Austin.
if this ain't some jive ass shit right here, fucking baseball bat propping up the fucking hood. The fucking hood and baseball bat come with the Kid Rock CD?
No. But I did find a Kid Rock thing underneath the seat.
What about a fucking tank top, bro? Free white trash.
Unless it was Elizabeth's. I don't know what to do right now. It should come out. I watched the video. It said.
It could never go wrong, right? You watched the video.
YouTube certified.
Such a YouTube mechanic, boy.
No, like I watched the video.
Uh-huh.
There's a dude. He was like, "Yeah, take these 4 bolts out and just knock it off." I said, "All right." I took the 4 bolts out. Bitch didn't come off.
Not with that attitude, it won't. All right.
Oh.
Da-da-da. Hey.
I should probably put these back.
So I put a little bit of that Red Bull. That'll live it up.
I
Wish. This is going to be the dash ornament in your lowrider.
I'm gonna hang it. I got this from you, didn't I?
No.
I didn't?
No.
Who the fuck did I get it from? Oh! It didn't work, Chief.
No work?
Oh, fuck.
We have our first casualty of the day.
That son of a bitch, she went right into my forehead.
Cody, we gotta stop letting you work on things. You always hurt yourself.
That was a close one.
Yeah, almost. Just another day in the life. Sonny's booking it.
What?
Sonny's booking it. He's got 1 horsepower right there, and he's booking it. Sonny's kicked in, all right. Run him, Cody. Go run him. He's on the move, son. Fuck, I reckon. He's going home to fuck his 4 wives.
Alright.
Yourself there.
No, you really want to know what I wish I had on video? That day I got a black eye by the jack.
Yeah, when you just replacing the motor in your Honda?
Yeah. Come on. Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Spadudios.
Is it normal? Am I supposed to do that?
I don't know, watch you another YouTube video, buddy, and tell me.
Bro, I think I just fucked it up even more.
Why don't you explain what you're originally trying to do?
Put my drive shaft out.
Alright.